Yo, it's your boy Shadrakamon Crap once again, and welcome to my channel for another episode of Entertainment Update. If today be your first time on this platform, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon, and you will always get a notification anytime I drop any entertainment update. Charlie, it be like this year, 2025 has been hijacked by Shatta Wale because he's getting all the good news, he's getting all the wins. Charlie, good news are chasing Shatta Wale the beginning of this year, and it's crazy. Yeah, after making big history in Jamaica, getting love in the Caribbean countries, his streams are doubling up, getting massive streams all over. Charlie, Shatta Wale is really enjoying this year, and more good news are knocking on his door. Just as he has received another one from Jamaica. Yeah, Shatta Wale has been nominated at this year's, International Reggae World Music Awards. I'm talking about IRAWMA. Yeah, Shatta Wale has been nominated at this year's edition of the International Reggae and World Music Awards, and he bagged three nominations at this year's particular award. And I think Shatta Wale is the only Ghanaian reggae dancehall artist with nomination this year at the International Reggae and World Music Awards. Yeah, I think he is the only Ghanaian artist, defending Ghana on this particular scheme this year. And he's also battling with other reggae dancehall stars, other international reggae dancehall stars, big names in the same categories. So Charlie, this year is going to be tight. It's going to be tight for Shatta Wale, but I know say he's going to bag it for Ghana and also for Africa. So we will go through the nomination list and see who Shatta Wale is facing in those categories. International Reggae and World Music Awards 2025 nominations: Best African Dancehall Entertainer, Nkuli, South Africa; Red Sun, Kenya; Shatta Wale, Ghana; Shiba, Uganda; Winky D, Zimbabwe. Best Crossover Song: Bababad, Busy Signal, Sean Paul featuring Kiba; Chopper, Brand Mezia, Lil Babe and Russian; Awuke, Davido featuring D.Marley; Work Me Out, Wizkid featuring Shensia; Commando, Shatta Wale featuring Bounty Killer. Best Music Video: D.Marley, Wiseman; Louis York and Grabs Morgan, Have a Little Light; Davido, Sean Paul and Ding Dong featuring Musa Keys, Unavailability; Shatta Wale, Killer Jimmy; YG, Praise Jah in the Moonlight. Yeah, and these are the three nominations that the African Dancehall King Shatta Wale bagged at this year's International Reggae and World Music Awards. And he's defending Ghana in those categories. He's defending Africa in those categories. And I'm so happy to see Killer Jimmy, Killer Jimmy in that category. Man, this song, is on the Safa album. And it's already bagging international nomination. So this shows the good work that Shatta Wale did last year. My man really worked last year. He really worked hard. So I'm so happy that he's getting this international recognition, and they are even giving him nomination on such prestigious award scheme like International Reggae and World Music Awards, the biggest reggae dancehall awards, in award scheme in the world. Yeah, that's IRAWMA. International Reggae World Music Awards be the biggest reggae dancehall award scheme in the world. And let me tell you, Shatta Wale has been dominating this particular award scheme back to back for years now. Actually, he is the most nominated African artist on this particular award scheme. Yeah, and he is also the African artist with the most awards on this particular award scheme. So when it comes to the reggae dancehall award scheme, Shatta Wale has been dominating it back to back for years. Maybe the media are mute on this. They are not telling you. So I'm telling you this. Go and do your research. Shatta Wale is the African artist with most nominations and awards on this particular award scheme. So when we are hailing him as the African Dancehall King, you understand. Yeah, you understand. This guy has been leading the movement in Africa for so many years, and actually he is still the one leading it. And this is one of the proofs, that Shatta Wale is the face of reggae dancer in Africa. Take it or leave it. Charlie, this is what I have for you on this episode. So keep it locked here for more entertainment gist, more entertainment updates, more entertainment gossips. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. It's your boy Shatta Wale. Enjoy your day. I'm out.
Subscribe Shatta Wale channel for more entertainment updates.